To make a pumpkin for our pumpkin patch. This is what you'll need to make a pumpkin for our pumpkin patch. We'll need some green felt, a green pipe cleaner, a pencil, some white glue, a roll of toilet paper, some paper bag, and a 22-inch square of fabric. Now you can use any kind of fabric. You want to keep it orange, of course, for the pumpkin, but you can try calicos, and you can try even more elegant pumpkins depending upon what kind of mood you want to get. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is prepare our leaf for the pumpkin. Just take a piece of felt and cut it in a leaf shape like this, and put a strip of white glue right down the center of the leaf, and lay your pipe cleaner right on the glue. Now you want to set that aside to dry. Next, we're going to make the stem. You just roll up your piece of paper bag. Just roll it up. It can be messy. And then you want to twist it. Just twist it hard like that. That way you get a nice gnarly stem. And then to get a real cut off pumpkin look, you just take a nice sharp pair of scissors and cut the top off like that.